on, guys? It's Lathan Gun here, and we're back with another video. Today,
this is
that's my little brother. Today, we're with my cousin Julia, and we're gonna be trying the Sour Patch. No, we're gonna be trying the Sour Patch cereal. Yeah, that's what it's called. Because we went to Walmart and we decided to get this, and my little brother's here too. Get out of the fridge. Okay, we're gonna pull ourselves a bowl of cereal, and we'll be right back. This is what they look like. They're really, really small. They're not like the size of like regular Sour Patch. But like they have all the colors of Sour Patch Kids, and they're sort of like the size. Alright, let's go ahead and open it.
Ew, it smells like Fruity Pebbles.
Yeah, it kind of does. Like we're eating this before dinner. It's so stupid. I don't want much.
That's good.
You want some?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Milk. Fairlife. Okay, can you move your face? Move your face.
Should we try it without milk first?
Oh yeah. Okay. Alright. Oh. It tastes like very fruity. It's like
I don't like it.
I'm not a big fan of it. It's not sour, but it's like it is. Alright, I'm gonna try the milk now. Evan, you want milk?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, in a minute, hold on. How much? Oh my god, this is gonna taste so disgusting. Okay, here we go. Got your
Yeah,
my
boy.
Chipotle hat on as I'm eating cereal.
This is stuff. Okay, and we're done.
Okay,
We're
don't like it.
done.
I don't like it. I'm sorry to
I don't like it.
post, but
Okay.
It tastes like
I'll make it up.
if you got cardboard and then
yeah, it's
put
really
rotten
hard.
sugar on it.
It's really hard. And it's like it's kind of like sour. I don't know. I don't like it. I don't like it.
Do you like it, Bevan? No.
Ew. Gross.
Yeah, I hate it.
Wait, you just did?
Okay, yeah. So here, this is what it looks like. Okay, thanks for putting your hand. That's what it looks like. It's, I don't know. It's too sour. It's not sweet enough to be like a cereal. I don't know. Do you like it? No.
No, not at all.
No, yeah, not at all. No. Oh my god, this lighting sucks. Sorry, everyone. This video, thank y'all for watching. This will be my last video on this channel.
Why?
I've created a different channel, which you can't really find it yet because there's no videos up yet. But this will be my second channel, so I'll occasionally post on here, but I probably really won't. My main channel is Lathan Gun Vlogs, so just what this is now, but vlogs. So yeah, go subscribe to that. I'll be posting some videos soon. I just got a new PC, guys, so we're going to be doing gaming videos. I'm going to be streaming on Twitch. It's going to be awesome. But that's it for today's video. Thank you all for watching. Anything else to add, Julia?
Don't buy this.
Yeah, it sucks.
You could do the Mad Libs though.
Oh yeah, there's Mad Libs on the back. Yeah, should we read our Mad Libs?
No.
Okay. Okay, actually I'm gonna read this Mad Libs because it's kind of funny. You wake up in a very, we can't say that word, at 4 a.m. in the morning. You get up and accidentally trip over your Lathan, but find your footing when you hold on to the high Atlanta. This is gonna be a low day. You fart downstairs You fart downstairs to the kitchen because it's time for the most important meal of the day. Breakfast, duh. You get your cake bowl and a spoon. All the proper equipment as you pour your colorful Sour Patch Kids cereal. It runs all over the It runs all over the kitchen floor and turns into a green mess. Luckily, 69 of the Sour Patch Kids still made it into the bowl. Woohoo! It's gonna be a sweet day.
You should do a
that's
challenge
it. The cereal
where
sucks.
you eat this every morning for a week.
Okay, if y'all want to see that, 50 likes. No, I'll do 20 likes. I'll do it for a week and I'll film it every
You
day.
eat this every day for a week in
Yep.
the morning.
For a week, 7 days straight. I'll eat that, and I can't have anything else for breakfast. I can only have a bowl of this.
Do you think it changes the milk color after a while?
I'm not sure. Go subscribe to my other channel, Lathan Guns Vlogs. I'll link it in the description, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Future Lathan here. So my new YouTube channel, Lathan Guns Vlogs, as I just previously talked about, is actually up now. So if you type in Lathan Gun Vlogs, it will come up with my first video, which is just saying welcome, hey, this is my new channel, blah, 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 blah. It's only 40 seconds long. But then, obviously, you can just go subscribe, which is on the little channel. So go do that, Lathan Gun Vlogs on YouTube, and then go watch that video and go subscribe. Thank y'all. Peace.